Number 4 is the official FLSUN SR 3D printer. When creating silicone molds with precision and speed, look no further than the official FLSUN SR Super Racer 3D printer, which takes your printing experience to a whole new level. Imagine the thrill of high-speed printing at a mind-boggling 200 millimeters per second, zipping through your designs with lightning-fast efficiency. This means you can save over 50% of your precious time without compromising the quality of your molds. With its 3-axis linkage technology and powerful 48W stepper motors, the FLSUN SR Super Racer delivers unrivaled acceleration of 2800 plus mm/s superscript 2. It's like a speed demon on steroids, leaving industry standards in the dust. The Phi 260x330mm large printing size gives you ample space to unleash your creativity, accommodating molds up to 10.2 inches in diameter and 13 inches in height. Not only does this 3D printer prioritize speed, but it also ensures exceptional accuracy and stability. Thanks to its high-precision linear rail guide, your molds will be crafted precisely, reducing noise to a whisper. Are you worried about power outages or interruptions? Fear not! The FLSUN SR Super Racer features an auto-leveling system and resumes printing function, ensuring your prints can pick up right where they left off. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.